So hi guys, we are here at Udupi. We are shopping for our creative com project. It's an elective and we have to make an art installation.
I don't know how it's connected to the subject, but we are in Udupi Krishna Mata.
Yeah.
There is some fragrant shop here. I need something that smells like sweets. So we're hoping to find something here.
So the project is we got materials that we should use to make the project. Like ma'am suggested the materials and we have to incorporate that in our project. And I got coconut shell coir, and for her
It is sari that smells like sweets. Where do I get that from now? I'm going to keep it in the sweet shop and then buy something else.
yeah, we're going to the sweet shop. But in the
Mantika
meantime,
is here.
I will show you the Krishnamata temple area. It's Udupi Krishna temple.
There is a vendor shop.
Oh.
Here only.
Oh, this is the shop.
We're going to buy something.
Yeah, this is the shop she's going to get the scent thing from. We came now to get the scent for her art project.
Let's go try it instead.
She's trying the scents.
Lavender.
Sure.
I need it to smell like sweet.
Yeah.
Something like vanilla.
Or ghee.
Ghee,
Something that smells like.
I need your help, Devika. You start from lower, I'll start from top.
Okay.
She's tried too many of these. We've tried a lot of these, and then we chose to get vanilla. Okay. See?
This is vanilla scent.
Yeah. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ 100.
That smelling has made me very dizzy.
The worst part about this project is we have to go all over to find the materials, and it's expensive. I'm buying one mannequin, I'm renting it 500 rupees for a day. I'm broke already.
She needs to get sari and everything to drape around. I mean, yeah, her project involves sari and sweets. So she needs a mannequin too.
I need a mannequin, I need sari, I need to buy sweets to give it to people. I feel like it's my wedding, not a project. And guess how many marks this project holds?
10 marks.
20? 5 is for your efforts, 15 is for whatever. But total it's 20 marks and we're roaming around and we're spending so much money. And people are glaring at us.
Next we'll go to a fabric store to get her sari. And I have most of my materials at my friend's place, like coconut husk and all that. So I'll go to my friend's place and collect
This is 500 meters away, so we're going to check out this fabric store. It's called Mahalakshmi Button House. Careful.
Oh, it's chilly. How did you go? Okay. What is this? We reached the next shop. It's there. But there's so much dirt because it rained, and I think some construction is going on here. We're done shopping there, but I didn't know if we could shoot inside, so I didn't. I didn't want to be scolded, so I didn't take the risk. Anyways, from there she got some acrylic paint and white cloth. We have to go to one more shop for the sari material. So yeah. So I told everything.
Oh, Devik has updated you. Now we'll go Sairam. And we'll get.
No, aren't we getting Ratan books?
No, our vehicle is here only, so we'll go to Sairam, come, take this on the way and go.
Okay, so She's going to buy brush and stuff. I have a brush at home.
Single brush.
Yeah, I have a brush at home. I thought I'll use that, but she needs brushes and yeah, that's all I guess. Here, there's a bookstore nearby. We'll go there. But first, we have to go buy the sari material, like I said. Walking through the streets of Udupi.
It is so bad. Look at the roads. Look at how it is.
See, Udupi as a whole is a nice place.
The whole is very nice. Only this road has problems.
Yeah, I think it's under construction. Under construction,
The
that's
road
why.
properly. Otherwise, it's a nice road itself.
Now we are going in search
Of Siron.
Ayo.
Careful. Look there, look there, look there.
Oh, there's a puppy.
So cutely carrying something and going somewhere. It's a plain piece of paper. I think it thinks there is food in it. Oh, I want it. I want to take it home. It's so cute.
Yeah, every time Sanjana sees a dog, she wants to take it home.
But I can't because at home I have 2 dogs. And in Manipal, I can't look after myself. Where will I look after a dog? I'm broke all the time to drink one chai for myself.
We came to the other shop and we asked for raw silk. They said raw silk is the best for painting, but apparently 1 meter costs 1k, 1.2k or something. So we decided to go with satin itself. They said you can paint on
I
satin.
need to put it to the mannequin.
So we are going with satin. She's explaining to her mother why she can't take raw silk. Yeah, we should have thought about it. Raw silk would obviously cost a lot.
Got the materials. You can see. One is this color. And one is down. This is to represent Mysore Pak. And that is to represent Rasgulla. And I'm going to exchange it to each other's whatever. So 1 meter. Poply, na? So now what I bought already in that place is for cutting the rounds and making rasgulla. I need to make Mysore Pak also. No, so I'll cut fabric. I'll paint the, what is that? Mysore Pak. I'll paint them. I took the colors. I'll paint. I'll cut, paste something. I'll just take what if I need clothes after. That's all. So end of shopping. I just have to buy brushes and this thing. And then we'll go get Devika's materials and we'll go to Manipal. Mehendi core also. Joanna wants mehendi core. 5 or something. She's about to do something else. Now she'll do something else. Let's see. One meter. I don't know. I'm buying everything so much, but I don't know where I'm going to use what I'm going to do in life.
Sanjana is going to get mehendi for Joanna. I didn't want to go all the way down and then all the way up. So I told Sanjana to go get it. The mehendi is for our friend Joanna. She needs that for her project. So we are here. So we thought, she called and asked if we can buy mehendi cone. So we are getting the mehendi cone. Oh my god, I'm so tired. We went to 3 shops. This is the 4th shop. Now we'll go to 1 more shop. But I think we got almost everything. I mean, most of the things that she needed, we got. Now we'll go to Judy's house to get the things that I need. Got the mehendi.
Yeah, I got the mehendi cone for Joanna. I'm going to make Devika walk in this thing again. It's gonna be fun. Give it. You see her walking now. Go! You can see Devika walking in this puddle. Dubai princess reached her destination, guys.
I don't like walking through these things.
Shameless. Continue your vlog.
Thank you. Yes, finally our shopping is done. She got the brushes as well.
In 12 minutes we'll reach Judy's house, pick up her clothes. And materials for her project. We'll fill petrol and go home.
Finish. This is very tiring.
Extremely.
We went, you know how many shops we went to? 5.
Oh my god, to get like 2-3 materials, to get like 2-3 things, we went to 5 shops. The struggle
We
is
should
real.
get marks just for this.
I should tell ma'am we should get 20 marks for shopping, 20 marks for this, 20 marks for that. Don't give us external exam only. This is only our external exam. Over. Halas.
Okay. We are off to Jody's place. This is what Udupi looks like, guys.
Udupi is cute.
Now it's a travel vlog. It's almost similar to Kerala if you look.
Yeah, actually.
It's I mean,
When I also went to Varkala and Poovar Island, all the roads were very similar to this.
yeah.
Very similar to. I think it's the coastal thing.
Hmm.
Like all coastal places are.
Streets of Udupi. Times Square Mall.
Oh no, we have never gone.
Yeah, we should go there. Here it's D-Mart.
It's a very pretty D-Mart.
Oh, because of Diwali they've lighted the shop.
Looks cute.
On the way to Jody's place. Oh, I've not seen this part of.
Oh, Judy
Your destination is on the right.
Destination was on the right. Hey, that's Jody.
Judy. I'll leave here only, it's okay.
Yeah. Oh, Judy compound.
Hello.
Hi. Bye. Bye, Judy. Bye, auntie. Thank you. I'll see you on Monday. So we got the materials and now we can finally go back.
Yeah, my
Yeah.